sound of your love. It's the song of your grace.
We've only been here 1 week.
Mēs šeit esam bijuši tikai vienu nedēļu.
It's kind of cold,
Diezgan augsti.
but we really love this place.
Bet mums tiešām patīk šī vieta.
Because we've been praying for Riga specifically,
Mēs esam lūguši par Rīgu, it īpaši,
and we began this summer.
un mēs sākām šajā vasarā.
We got to go to the Occupation Museum.
Un mēs tikko ieradāmies, mēs devāmies uz okupācijas muzeju.
And I just started to open my eyes to see what this nation and this region has been through.
Un manas acis atvērās saprotot to, caur ko ir šī valsts izgājusi, šī tauta.
Centuries of occupation and injustice,
Gadsimtiem ilga okupācija un netaisnība.
with decades of new hope and freedom.
Bet dekāds ir jauna cerība un brīvība.
And so, as we were praying for this nation, we believe God showed us to do something that is very simple, but very important.
Un kad mēs lūdzām par šo zemi, mēs jutām, ka mums ir jādara kaut kas ļoti vienkārši, bet kaut kas ļoti svarīgs.
It's a symbol of God's love.
Tas ir Dieva mīlestības simbols.
It's something that we believe that we're to receive and to give.
Tas ir kaut kas, kas mums ir jāsaņem un jādod.
And it's this bread.
Tā ir šī maize.
And I don't know a lot of the history of this region, but I know enough to know the stories of the way Soviets and others would use bread.
Un es nezinu visu vēsturi, bet es zinu, kādas ir bijušas situācijas, kā padomju savienībā lietoja maizi.
As a way of almost manipulating or trying to buy power or favor with people.
Kā pilnīgi manipulējot vai mēģināt nopirkt, uzpirkt cilvēkus.
For all of us, it's a symbol of survival, of nourishment.
Un priekš visiem mums tas ir izdzīvošanas simbols, kas mūs atsaicina.
But I believe God wants to change this
Bet es ticu, ka Dievs to vēlas mainīt.
and to do something in the opposite
Mēs
direction, the
varam darīt
opposite
to
order.
pretējā garā, pretējā virzienā.
That He wants us all to receive and to give an expression of His love
Ka Dievs grib, lai mēs saņemam arī dodam mīlestības izteiksmi.
in a simple picture of bread.
Vienkāršā maizes attēlā.
None of us are too proud or too rich to receive God's love.
Neviens mēs neesam tik lepni vai tik bagāti, lai nesaņemtu Dieva mīlestību.
And none of us are too poor to give it.
Un mēs neviens neesam tik nabagi, lai nevarētu to dot.
And so during this time of the financial crisis, there are a lot of needs.
Un šajā laikā, finansiālās krīzes laikā, ir liels, milzīgs vajadzības. Un ir
There's a lot
daudz
of fear.
bailes.
And the sense of trying to keep what little we have so that we will not be without.
Un būtībā cenšanās paturēt pie sevis to mazumiņu, kas tu mums ir, lai to nepazādētu.
But I believe that we are to go in the opposite attitude and motive of that.
Bet es ticu, ka mums ir jāiet pretējā garā un ar pretēju motivāciju.
That with what we have, that we are to give.
Ka tas, kas mums ir, to mēs dodam.
And we have been given a symbol of bread.
Un mums ir dod šis vienkāršais maizes simbols.
Today we brought 200 loaves of
Šodien
bread.
mēs atvedām 200 kukuļus maizi.
Roughly the number of people we have here.
Apmēram tik cilvēki, cik šeit ir.
But we have been able to receive from others enough to have 3,500 loaves to give out and distribute during this time.
Bet šī brauciena laikā mēs esam saņēmuši ziedojumus tik daudz, lai mums būtu iespēja izdalīt 3,500 maizes kukuļus.
And so just in that symbol, we want to invite everyone to receive now.
Un šajā simbolā mēs aicinām ikvienu saņemt.
If you want to receive God's love, we would like you to receive this symbol of His love.
Ja tu gribi saņemt Dieva mīlestību, tad mēs aicinām tev saņemt Dieva mīlestības simbolu.
And if you want to give God's love, we want to invite you to give this symbol of God's love to another.
Un ja tu gribi dot Dieva mīlestību kādam citam, tad mēs aicinām tev izmantot šo simbolu vienkārši dot kādam citam.
Just like the gospel, we cannot give what we have not received.
Kā ar evaņģēliju, mēs nevaram dot to, ko mēs neesam saņēmuši.
And this bread is not the gospel, but it is a symbol of His love.
Un šī maize nav evaņģēlijs, bet tas ir kā simbols Dieva mīlestībai.
So if you'd like to do that, we'd like to right now, if you would like to stand up and to receive this bread, please come on forward now.
Ja jūs gribat saņemt, tad lūdzu vienkārši piecelties mājās un nāciet uz priekšu to
Or
saņemt.
just raise your hand and we'll come in.
Ja vienkārši paceliet roku, mēs jūs aizvesīsim.
It's the sound of your love, the song of your grace. It's a simple word, it's the sweetest taste. It's the sound of your love, it's the song of your grace. It's a simple word, it's the sweetest taste.